Hey there, and welcome back to BD Preventive Welfare Society. Today, we're diving into a life-changing topic: how you can start your journey to a zero-waste lifestyle. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and I'll guide you step by step. Ready? Let's go! Step 1 is simple: audit your waste. Take a week to observe what you throw away. Are you tossing out a lot of single-use plastics, food scraps, packaging? This gives you a clear idea of where to start reducing. Think of it like a budget but for trash. Step 2 is the golden rule: reduce, reuse, recycle. Start by reducing what you consume. The 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Do you really need that extra plastic bag? Next, reuse. Invest in durable, reusable items like tote bags, stainless steel water bottles, and glass jars. Finally, recycle, but only as a last resort. Remember, recycling isn't a free pass to waste, it's a backup plan. Pro tip: always carry a reusable water bottle and cutlery set. Step 3. Start composting. Step 3 is composting. Did you know that food scraps make up about 30% of what we throw away? By composting, you're turning waste into nutrient-rich soil. You can start small with a countertop compost bin or go big with a backyard setup. Either way, you'll be amazed at how much less trash you generate. Step 3. Composting for a greener planet. Step 4. Shop smarter. Step 4 is shopping smarter. Bring your own bags, choose items with minimal or no packaging, and shop locally when possible. Farmers markets and bulk stores are great places to start. Plus, buying only what you need saves money and reduces waste. Pro tip: buy in bulk and store in glass jars. Step 5. DIY zero waste swaps. Finally, step 5 is all about DIY. Swap out disposable items for reusable, homemade alternatives. You can make your own beeswax wraps, turn old t-shirts into cleaning rags, or switch to cloth napkins. It's fun, creative, and saves you money in the long run. Step 5. DIY your way to zero waste. Conclusion: you got this. Going zero waste isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take makes a big difference for our planet. So, start with 1 or 2 changes, and build from there. Together, we can create a cleaner, greener future. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more eco-friendly tips, and share it with someone who's ready to go zero waste. Let's make an impact together. See you next time.